Mr. Joe Biden. Yeah, man. Long time. I see in the internet where it says that you pardon the great Honorable Marcus Garvey. And I want to say, for so many years, they've been holding all these criminal records against Marcus Garvey and all those allegations and lies that was told against our prophet and our hero, Marcus Garvey, is now pardoned by Mr. Joe Biden. So what that is saying, all those criminal records and false allegations supposed to throw out through the window or flush into the garbage. Now, I want to talk to a man from Upper Portland. Goes by the name of Johnny. I sight up this man in a video disrespecting Marcus Garvey. When I sight it, I said, what kind of ignorance is this? Johnny, you see them things that you said about Marcus Garvey? They are very distasteful, very disgraceful, ignorant, and stupid. I think you owe Marcus Garvey an apology. And not just Marcus Garvey, but all Garveyites and the entire black community. You owe an apology. All those things that they were saying against Marcus Garvey that are not true, where you get them? Same place up America. The same lies them and false allegations that Mr. Joe Biden pardoned Marcus Garvey for. It's the same lies them he was telling in that video on Marcus Garvey. You owe Marcus Garvey an apology. If Mr. Joe Biden, who represent all American, can pardon Marcus Garvey for all those lies that you was telling in that video that you pick up from the lies that they put together in America against Marcus Garvey. All he was doing, he was just lying in regurgitation. So hear what I say now, brethren. Just apologize. No disrespect to the eye. Right this up. Me! Shocking Murray said that.